Hello, guys. Welcome to a new episode of Programming with Python. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to download download and install Python on your Windows machine. So you definitely need an internet connection. Then you go to google.com. Then you can search for get Python. Okay, get Python, or you can also type download Python. Okay, download Python. So you visit the first link over here. Good. So to send it to the official Python website. So you could read a lot about Python. You can go to the about, download documentations, their community and success stories. So there are a lot of things you can see at the end. So these are the releases. Okay. So the current version is 3.10. Okay, good. So depending on your operating system, so looking for Python for different OS. So we have Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and the others. Right. So those using Docker too, this is the Docker images. You can get it here, but we need the current version. So click on download Python, then you save it on your machine. So it will take some time to finish. So I'll pause this video when it's done, then I'll get back to you. All right, welcome back, guys. So let me. So it's done downloading, so you can open it. The installation is very simple. Then after that, we will look at another editor that will help us to write Python army code. So let's install it. Oh, okay, because I've already gotten Python installed. Okay, good. So there's no need for me to do this installation again. So, but then it's very simple. All you need to click on next, and I think that will be done. Okay, you don't need to do anything ambiguous. Just simple like how you install basic, softwares on your machine. Then we will need another guy called PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm. So like the same procedure, you could get download Python or get PyCharm and you get this resource. So we go to download PyCharm, but make sure you install the Python before you install the PyCharm. So um, we have for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. But then ignore this professional guy and take their community is free and built on open source. Okay, so to take some time, then say you install it. Good. So once again, I'll pause this video. Then when it's done downloading, then I'll come back. Good. All right. So it's done downloading. So what we can do is try to open it. Let me quit this guy. Yeah, sure. I want to cancel you. So we can accept it this way. All right. Good. So like I said, it's just the same procedure, almost the same procedure on how to install softwares on your machine. Okay. So click next, then um, add add this guy and do this to leave the rest. Okay, you can also add this guy, then go to next, then install. So if it will take some few minutes to do this. All right, so the installation is done now. So when you are done, it will ask you to reboot your system. Okay, that is to restart the system, and you can choose now or later. So I'll select later, and I'll go to next. So it will open up for us, or standstill. We can go to search here. Then we can say PyCharm to open it. All right, good. So confirm this guy, continue. Then, so here they're asking you to be sending feedback to them, okay, to help update this particular software. So you can choose to send anonymously or choose not to send. Right. So this is the overview of it. Then I'll pin this to my taskbar so that anytime I need it, there's no need for me to go and search. I'll pin to my taskbar. Okay, I'm using Windows 11 as of now, so we can equally do that in Windows 10 too. Good. So this is the main interface of it. So we can go to create project. Like I said earlier on, first of all, we will need to install Python before we install the PyCharm. Okay, install the PyCharm. So what I'll do is I'm going to create a Python file. So I'll put this guy inside. Let me see. That's the location they asked me. I'll put it on desktop. Okay, I'll put it on desktop. Then make sure that you have the base interpreter as Python 10 this thing. Okay, good. So I think that is done. Don't make any changes here. Just go to create. So create from existing source. All right, no problem. Just go ahead and do that. Oh, okay, yeah. So that's the mistake I did. So I just open it from the desktop, which is very bad. The desktop I should have a folder on the desktop that I could open to. So what I'll do is I'll go to the desktop here, then I'll create a new folder. Okay, so new folder. Oh, I've already even hidden my icons. Okay, so let's go back and see. All right, so you can right click on on the desktop folder here. Okay, then so I'll end this video because of the length in it. Then I'll make a part two out of this one. Okay.